G'day guys, Ninja here. We've got Matty.
What's up?
Matty's back.
And Aaron.
And Aaron.
Yeah, so we're going to do a bit of a training session, just a short one, dedicated to 150, so it's speed endurance. So
We've been doing this every week for how long now, Ninja?
this is our 5th time we've done it,
Week.
so yeah, so getting pretty fit now. Aaron did a little bit of a hamstring last time.
I had a mischief last
Wednesday.
Wednesday. I had a bit of stuff going on, and so my hammy went, no, you need a rest. So this is my first main session back. I had a trundle with Ninja on Friday, but I'm going to be just cruising.
Yeah.
But we've got a greyhound here.
Yeah, Matty.
Yes. I just had treatment on my hamstring, so we'll see
Good
how we
luck.
go.
I remember a video where you just ran past me. You remember you edited that in?
What?
I looked like I was standing still, and
Oh,
I did an
yeah.
edit a few years ago.
The line.
150, yeah.
Made him look shit.
Yeah. He knew the camera was there and just put the burners on.
Oh, on. Anyway.
Does anything for the camera, this bloke.
Yeah, well, we'll see. I've got a surgery maybe coming up in a month.
Mate,
So.
I don't think you need to. If you can do this session,
Okay.
get me
You're
onto
fine.
it.
Get the surgeon on the blower.
Nah, don't worry about it, mate. Ninja's got me doing 150s. Doing a bit of body work. We're doing some YouTube videos.
Yeah,
That's all right. All right.
So I'm not going to give you as much.
Nah.
I'm just going to cruise.
Yeah. So the first one, we're going to feel our bodies out a bit. We're going 95, something like that.
I'm probably 85. but
85, and then we're going to hit it the 3, 4, and 5. Yeah, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's go.
Yo! Sheesh.
I should have gone out first.
Yeah.
Fuck!
Oh shit.
Oh, well, we learn. We learn.
Should have trundled again.
Mm.
Learning lots of lessons.
Did you go more than 85?
I was feeling good, so I was pushing pretty hard. Yeah. I should have gone at the end, I reckon.
You got to. So this is the session you need to get under your belt, didn't you?
It's only been 7 days since I did it. I had that good session on Friday.
Yeah.
Damn it.
Yeah.
Damn it.
Beauty.
So,
It's a proper 21-dayer, I think. I've got to be more cautious of it.
yeah. The disappointing part of training is right here. When you do get injured, you have to go on the sidelines, or you don't necessarily have to go on the sidelines, but you need to regress.
It's that bend as well. It was the same left leg, outside leg.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's it. But me and Matty will.
Yep.
Carry the team. Carry the boat.
So we're doing quality work. So means our breath's got to get back to normal, heart rate's got to get down. So it's all about quality. So if we're kind of in deficit, fatigued, pre-fatigued, we can't put 100% into the efforts.
Exactly, yeah.
And we want to get better at this kind of distance, because it really is one of those in-between distances, roughly 20 seconds of work. So it hits different when you're doing cardio, but it hits different the shorter sprints when you're doing like up to 50 meters as well.
Yeah, I'm usually not a fan of longer stuff. I like doing the shorter bursts to like explode, but with this I notice I can really improve it if I just make it a nice quality run where I'm really using my core.
Yeah.
And I think I tap into that by thinking about Leombe.
Yeah.
Because the way he runs is like very
Yeah. He's concentrating on
and
the
it
arms.
works for sure. So
Yeah.
let's do it.
Yeah.
Come on.
And our cameraman gets a bit of 150 action as well.
Yeah.
He sort of cuts across. You cut across, do you, Leo?
Yeah.
Stretch your hands.
Get it.
Nah.
Stretch your forearms.
I gotta even out the forces.
Yeah.
Last time something got me.
Maybe your knee was
We need to make
Oh,
some
it's my knee.
contraption.
Your
Some
knee.
My
contraption.
knee, yeah. That's my knee. I was too locked out, I reckon.
Some contraption that helps
Yeah.
puts the thing on a like the Olympic Games. Some sort of we should get a drone. We want a new camera, don't we, Leo? Let's get a drone as well.
Yep. Add on.
Add on.
Yeah, we need some subscribers, so come on, keep subscribing so
Who,
we can afford that.
Who out there wants to buy us a drone? That's it. Subscribe now. Half.
Yeah, I know.
Most you people out there aren't bloody subscribers.
That's the thing.
Do this.
If we get to 200k, you can buy us a drone.
That's advertising. That's marketing.
Oh, wee.
You know-
Or donate a bit of
Yeah.
something.
Yeah.
Alright, come on.
Go,
Ready
guys.
to go again?
We're running.
I'm in sick bay.
Run me down this time, Matty.
Okay, yep.
Alright, ready?
Yep.
Give me whatever you need. We're going to make a good race for you. Alright, go. Matty's chasing me down. Look at him go.
Get him!
Look at Matty. The robot man.
85%.
Come on, Matty. Don't stop now, mate. Keep going. Oh, mate.
Oh shit! That was great.
Whoa. Right, really?
Oh yeah.
Oh, the monkey stopped to pull up his socks. Oh, dear. Oh dear, that was good. That hit a bit different.
Oh, yeah.
I was running.
When you go hard, these things hit different.
Once I pass you, I'm like, oh, can I stop now? But no,
You can't let me catch you.
gotta keep going.
Yeah.
Ah.
So you're gonna give me a little bit more,
Oh,
a fraction more, a few
Ah.
more meters.
running's annoying.
It's so good for you, so efficient.
Yeah.
This kind of running is efficient.
Every time I do a sprint session, when it's been a while, I just feel like DOMs everywhere. Like every part of my body, my feet, my back, your neck, because it's like using everything,
Yeah,
full body.
so good for you. So this session is like 120 seconds. No, 80 seconds. Minute 20.
How much rest?
Having roughly 5, but we probably, for the sake of this, maybe 3 or 4 minutes between.
That dog just
Just
took
so-
a shit. He didn't.
On our track!
He took a shit.
Just watch the shit when you're going past.
Hey, he's right over there.
Hey.
Oh wee.
The green dragon, you put some green dragon on,
Yeah, I did.
feeling it?
Good old green dragon heats off your muscles. Very good using natural ingredients.
Yeah, it is.
Pretty
Good one.
crazy stuff.
Yeah, a bit of comfrey I think is the main. Comfrey is the herb,
Oh.
the plant.
Never heard of it.
Yeah, it's pretty famous in natural healing, the compresses and stuff like that. So the main one you can smell,
Wow.
comfrey.
Yep.
Yeah, it smells nice. Like,
Yeah,
I want to eat it.
probably could.
So when you guys did a live stream, what did you guys film? Was it sprints?
No, it wasn't a sprint, it was treatment.
Treatment?
Woody rub, like a
Rob.
rub.
So you're just like treating and then reading the comments at the same time?
I think that's what they might be. I wasn't in there,
Alright.
so it's Jason and Aaron.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. Would they like to see a live stream of us training?
Yeah,
That might be cool,
is
in
it
the gym.
possible? You need to like bring the computer with you?
Yeah, we'll get the drone.
It's on the phone though, like
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
on the
Yeah.
phone. We can do that
Yeah, not bad.
if they want it.
in a fortnight, Matty. We're in a month.
Yeah, we'll see how we're tracking.
Yeah. We're on a workshop next fortnight, so that won't work. But
So you guys are practicing sprinting for NFL?
yeah, when they get here.
Yeah, okay.
So yeah, it's important, and you're going to be there too. We need someone to for that acceleration
My
phase.
surgery will be.
If you have surgery, how's the foot feeling right now?
Yeah, it's fine with sprinting.
Yeah, well, you don't need to do anything more. Bigger sprint.
Yeah, I know. That's why I haven't had it for 10 years.
Yeah, you don't need it because you can sprint. Who wants to run Ks? Who wants to do road runs?
Ooh.
I feel fine, eh?
Yeah.
It's just
Hey,
it's different. It's
mate,
different.
no, come on.
If I was doing, if I did like a lap around this whole oval, I'd be fucked.
Yeah, well, don't do a lap around the oval.
Don't do that,
Alright,
buddy.
Your body's telling you.
Oh, yeah.
Sprinting good.
Sprinting good.
Sprinting good. Bare feet. Can we interview you? I'm Ninja. Yeah. Good to
Hello.
see you in the bare feet. Keep going, mate. Love it, mate. Love it.
Rub it. Rub it, yo.
Do some grounding work on the,
Yeah,
on
he
the
knows.
concrete.
He's onto it. He's onto it.
On the concrete.
Yeah.
What a weapon.
Give it another minute.
Holy.
Go and see Aaron. He's
Yeah.
around the
Where is he?
finish line.
Yeah.
He's
Where is
grounding.
he?
He's grounding.
Oh, he's
He went a bit hard.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
Doing it for the camera.
All right, we'll go and do another rep.
How many more of these?
We've got 2 more. How many have we done? 2?
Yeah.
So yeah. Round and back.
Yeah.
So 2 more. It's a good amount. All right, you ready, man? Give me a couple more meters. All right, let's go.
Push.
Done? No, one more?
Oh,
Good, man.
Oh, that hurts. That hurts. That's good though. Healthy competition.
Yeah, they're going good, eh? Three in is where the hurt locker starts to begin, but you don't get it without having someone to race against.
Yeah.
So if you're training on your own, I feel like you're never going to get to that peak level that you could be because the intensity is not there. Like running 100% and then running against someone you're trying to beat, they're completely different things. So to get that animal out of you, you have to have something chasing you or something prey in front of you that you
Predator
can try
and
predator and prey, yeah, stick or carrot. So that's why if you're training for anything and you think you're going to do it on your own, like your results will be limited.
So good. What it's all about. How's our light?
yeah, perfect, bro.
Yeah. So loving it. 1 more to go. Good little session, admin week. It's our favourite session of the week. It's short, but we get so much out of it. So yeah, but just to reinforce what Aaron said, do it with a friend. If you haven't got a friend, use the watch. Before we go against the watch, try and beat a time. But I'm sure you'll be able to find a friend. Do this session, 4 150s. 4 150s, 5-minute breaks in between. We're maybe going to 6.
Fuck, mate, I
Six
need to
reps.
get right first, eh?
Yeah.
I can't believe I've done that again. That's dumb as dog shit. Eh?
You're down a soldier. But
Just assumed it was going to be okay.
Yeah.
It's ridiculous.
yeah, gotta learn. Here's the old mate.
He's going well.
Yeah, he's not gonna do a hemi.
That's the thing, is like when you think you're okay, the intensity of 100%, like we did like a 70% jog through,
Yeah.
felt fine, but then you add competition in. Like I shouldn't have gone in the middle.
Yeah.
I should have gone at the end
You're
and
trying to
just
beat
run my
Matty.
own race.
Yeah.
So that was dumb decision by us.
Yeah.
So yeah, the intensity of the race is just, you can't even,
Yeah.
you don't realise how much force is going through your muscles and stuff. So obviously this wasn't ready yet, but probably set myself back a week.
Yeah.
Dumb cunt.
Reckon you have to wait till Friday week.
Well, I'll trundle around. I'll
Yeah.
I'll try and do tomorrow or Friday, and just trundle like I did last week. Because 60-70% last week was fine.
Yeah. Yeah, I suppose that one of the things they say with hamstrings is when you feel like you're right, give another week.
Cool.
So that's playing footy, you know, it's a lot longer game. And you're going to have, within a game of footy, you're going to have fast sprints as well as some jogging around and that. So you're not going to be able to just, balls there, just trundle off 30-70% or something. So yeah, we're learning.
It's interesting though, like it's the same part of the race. So it was literally around the 100 mark.
Oh, really?
You know, both times it was around the 100 mark. So
you think, oh, I've only got 50 to go, I'll be fine.
oh no, it just hit me then. Like it's interesting. Like I would have thought if it wasn't right, the 25 to 50 would have been kind of where it was at, but it was the.
I suppose it gets a little bit fatigued,
Yeah.
you know, for where it's at.
Yeah.
That's all it is. I suppose we're getting these high forces because we're not just the acceleration phase. So the high level forces going through your hamstring, impulse force. You know, top speed is like 6 times your body weight, so we're probably doing 4 times our body weight going through a hamstring, and it's not ready for it. So it just says, wait, go up a little bit.
Feels similar to last week, but then it's just like when it's a tear on a tear, you think the collagen's going to probably lay down some thicker shit now, which is probably not
We'll
ideal.
rub it out later.
Yeah.
How you going, young Matthew?
One
One
Matty.
more in you?
Good, Matty. Oh, feeling cooked, eh?
He's cooked. I might be able to beat him this one.
Probably.
You give me a couple more meters.
Yeah, I did.
You did. And you still beat me by 2 or 4.
Oh man.
Yeah.
I'm like so pumped in my glutes
Sick.
and lightheaded.
Yep.
Oh man, it's annoying.
Hey.
It's efficient. This bloke's not going to do surgery now. When do you see the surgeon next?
Next month.
Next month.
Time.
Has he booked it in?
No, but I've got my private health insurance.
Private health. That's loser talk.
Let me tell you something about private health. Oh. Oh.
One more?
One more. Leo's got to go home in a minute, so
Get home to the kids.
another 30 seconds. You got
Yep.
time, Leo?
Yep.
Oh,
Our stuff's around the other end anyway. Meet you around the other side, Aaron.
Yeah.
Alright, we're going to go in a minute. Ready, Matty? Alright. Last one.
Yes.
Oh, your mum. Your mum.
That's what it's all about. Look at this bloke.
The grass smells like shit.
It does.
Dog shit.
Fresh.
So that's where we get the most out of ourselves. I didn't want Matty to beat me. Matty wanted so hard to beat me. So we got absolutely max out of ourselves.
Good job.
And Aaron got the max out of himself today too.
Yeah.
Absolute max.
Good job.
Keep me hanging.
Come up, mate.
How are you?
Leo's cooking.
Yeah.
Leo's cooked too. He's getting a workout.
Let's get Leo sauce.
Leo,
Needs good this week, bro.
Knees good?
Needs good.
Ninja fixed it.
I don't
The fittest cameraman in the world.
eat.
Leo. Look at him.
Oh, your mum.
Your mum? Whose mum? Your mum. You watching this video right now.
You and your mums.
Your mum.
Get him to subscribe right now.
Get your mums to subscribe and then also get them to buy a drone for us.
Yeah.
Mums have got the cash, don't they?
They do. They want to see us with a drone.
Alright, sign off, Ninja.
Yeah. A minute, 20 seconds of work, and it's efficient, and we're going places with this. So yeah, you can do it.
Watch it. Watch
Watch your space.
We're going places.
We are. We're going to beat these American blokes that are coming out soon.
Fuck, mate, I've got 8 weeks to get my bloody leg right. Jeez,
Aaron's got to
Louise.
get some soft tissue work, and me and Matty
In the
we're gonna
bank.
have a cup of tea. Or a nice kombucha.
Do you want a nice Dilma, Matt?
Is that a curry? What is that?
Dilma, we've got to watch out for
Any Sri Lankan people out there?
microplastics.
Is Dilma
tea
a curry? On that note, say hi to your mum for us.
Done.